Hey fams, before we get into this video, just wanted to inform you guys of a live stream online launch event happening this Sunday for our youngins. It includes a lot of awesome and talented artists, dancers, plus more to come. Tickets are free. Please check out humanitics.com, type up the Street University and get your free tickets. If not, also message the movement on Instagram known as the Movement 01 for more information. Much love, stay safe, and see you guys soon. What's up fam, it's Wyf CaityB back in the building with yet another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys or just Nesians in general. So don't be coming with no UK artist or something like that, alright? Alright. So yeah, and we're going to be reacting to Heavy Hitterz Real One Roll. So the brothers here are from Brisbane. I'm pretty keen. It's been a minute since we've heard someone with a new track from Brisbane, but yeah, if you're new to my channel, this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. Much love to you. And if you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom, and don't forget to click that bell to keep notified when I upload videos. Yeah baby, let's go. And thank you to those that have requested as well.
Nice.
That is, I'd like to focus on what we can gain from playing chess that we can then fruitfully apply to the larger run of our lives.
Oh, you making moves, boy, show me where it's at. Cause all I see is nothing but a catch on the rap. You stay humble, stay loyal. Quit fronting on media, cause you're full when the real one is. Oh, you making moves, boy, show me where it's at. Cause all I see is nothing but a catch on the rap. You stay humble, stay loyal. Quit fronting on media, cause you're full when the real one's from. We thought we were gone. That's a crack up. Little cats rapping better stank on the track now, spitting back them 101s. Never see you act up. Never once in your life have you ever put them hands up. I only see dudes, fake rhymes, fake beats, rolling and terrorizing dudes in fake streets, but they hate me. Big nuts are running through microphone with ease like night through salt breeze. So fly like sugar free, don't try to test me. I have you thinking toss about you like a gimdo.
Did you? Oh.
Shit. Are you gonna join in the rap?
So I just realized he said he said some sugar free, some bar that I just forgot. Sorry guys. I was supposed to say sorry, instead I went ha. Okay, let's do this.
Just a quick reminder, okay? We're both absent-minded, so
yeah.
We'll stop something and then try and remember why did we stop it?
Yeah. Oh, I'm so mad. It was like pretty. Bro, can I just say their flow, man? I love this.
Yeah.
You Brisbane people need to stop surprising us.
It's nice because there's different kinds.
Yeah, like this reminds me of like an old school American. I can picture an old school American clip.
Remember.
Yeah,
Let's play.
An old school American clip where they have their old school cars and stuff like that.
Not Run DMC.
Yeah, like do you know what I'm talking about? Like back in the days, like say what's that movie? Remember the Titans or something? Like back in those days, maybe? No, not those days. Okay.
Oh, let's go, shush.
Big nuts are running through microphone with ease like night through salt breeze. So fly like sugar free, don't try to test me. I have you thinking toss about you like a gimdo parties. Actually kinda boring. You're up about the same crime with the same lines or with the same deed, and you want me to believe? Please, have you heard of originality? I rock the microphone and it's a fatality. Feels good that we kick back. Had to switch on now back for so long. Had us looking like a you making moves.
Did you just hit the switch on our back? Ipswich! Let's go!
Wow.
Oh, pardon me. Switch on our back, oh, say less.
Boys, show me where it's at. Cause all I see is nothing but a catch on the rap. To stay humble, stay loyal. Quit fronting on media, cause you're full when the real one's from. You making moves. Boys, show me where it's at. Cause all I see is nothing but a catch on the rap. To stay humble, stay loyal. Quit fronting on media, cause you're full when the real one's from. Heavy Make knocks young makes what they good taste. Roam around after they sunrise for their whole place. Trying to get my dollars up, no need to get my follows up. Chasing after bread and feed my kids and future college funds. Never been checked, cause on my status the best. Heavy Hitterz staying true, never move with the rest. Living with your bad upon you, cause you know that we blessed. Any problems better turn next time, at least you say less.
Say
I like that. You don't be a follower, be a leader, be a trailblazer. You know, I like that. Be your own. Be true to yourself. And I like how he referenced.
Honestly, the vibe of the song, man, bloody hell.
But he said Talisi, yeah. He said his whole name. Yeah.
That's nice.
Any problems better turn next time, least you say less. If you wanna know about us, better come and ask. Cause I gladly come assist you like your boy Steve Nash. Most these rappers trying to act up, talk like they yours for me. Sipping on woodies, now they be telling their toy stories. Hand me the ball like Philly.
Oh, did you hear that? Sipping on their woodies, so that's an alcohol, right? Like Woodstock or something. And then they referred that Woody's Toy Story as like wordplay.
Oh.
Woody and Buzz Buddy or whatever.
Toy something.
Toy Story.
Toy.
Oh!
Because I never watched it. I hate watching toys.
Like, I don't really like it, but I was forced to watch it.
Yeah, it's funny, isn't it, watching toys talk?
Yeah, that's so weird. It's
Anyways,
like watching animals talk.
I like the shirt.
Yeah, I love that. It reminds me of like Mr. Sick and like one of his video clips or something.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just trying to put a finger on it, the one you were talking about. It's almost like a Run DMC, but I know that it's a black and white version.
Yeah.
And he's wearing the cap.
Yeah.
Boy, show me where it's at. Cause all I see is nothing but a cat trying to practice. Stay humble, stay loyal. Quit fronting on media cause you're full when the real one's wrong. You making moves. Boy, show me where it's at. Cause all I see is nothing but a cat trying to practice. Stay humble, stay loyal. Quit fronting on media cause you're full when the real one's wrong.
Man, I'd hate to get hit by one of these guys.
First thing to suggest is that it's an inherently competitive activity.
Heavy hitters in the house like hell yeah. Yo, heavy hitters in the house like hell yeah. Yo, heavy hitters in the house like hell yeah. Well, let's go. Milk crates on the bounce like hell yeah. Yo, milk crates on the bounce like hell yeah. Yo, milk crates on the bounce like hell yeah. Well, let's go. Heavy hitters in the house like hell yeah. Yo, heavy hitters in the house like hell yeah. Yo, heavy hitters in the house like hell yeah. Well, let's go. Milk crates on the bounce like hell yeah. Yo, milk crates on the bounce like hell yeah. Yo, milk crates on the bounce like hell yeah. Well, let's go.
I love his Jordans, the 4s. Reverend and wow.
Damn. Like the beat reminds me of a movie that Denzel Washington would be on or something. For some reason, I don't know. I'm trying to think of the era that it was.
PolyMovement, please
fams,
support our fams here, PolyFams, PolyArtists, PolyRappers, come on. Heavy hitters, subscribe to them on YouTube, please, and share the love on your social media, please.
I'm telling you, that beat, man, that got me vibing. Yeah, I really like the track.
Yeah,
honestly,
it's good. It's like, it was like a Kelly vibe. Hey? It was
who's that?
California, Kelly.
Oh,
because I was just
Kelly
come from
Rowland or something.
No, but I need Ned Kelly.
Okay. Oh man, I love their flows in this. Like this is something fresh again. I love something fresh.
Something different. Nice.
Yeah, it just makes me think of so many things. Like makes me think of America. Makes me think of something old school. Like, I love this. I love songs that make me think about so many, different scenarios and stuff like that. And the video clip definitely did it justice. It was nice and simple, and it had that, old school feel about it. You look at the camera or down. If it only had that fish lens type of thing, I reckon it would be pretty sicky too. Because you know how I'm a director. Yeah.
Directly.
Yeah, and the beat. I love the beat.
Yeah, it was really nice.
The wordplay as well, man. Yeah. That switch one got me too. What do you think about a Mumby? I give it an 8. I give it an 8.
I give it an 8 too. I give it an 8. It was a nice surprise, almost a surprise, like because we're bulk filming, so this just like nice. It's
a lot of different, like I thought they were gonna stick with that like heavy draw, like a lot of the other groups and stuff. Damn.
Nice.
I like it.
Keep it up, fams. Stay on that grind. Do you?
Yeah.
Do you? Always.
Man, honestly, if I ran it straight to you guys, I would just run straight home. I wouldn't even think about running, I'll just turn away.
If I see you running towards him, I'm going to nah! Fuck you. You're my only daughter, I need you. I need you to come for my way.
Why not?
Go see.
Okay, anyways, enough of these games. But yeah, fams, please go check the brothers out. Awesome track, man. Awesome vibes. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. If you're an old school, you know, viewer, please let me know if you guys know what I'm talking about. What I think.
I do.
Yeah, like you know, like, but like if the crowd understands, like what.
I don't know about you millennials, but yeah.
I'm thinking of an old school movie, like that Fence. Denzel Washington. I keep thinking Denzel Washington, like that era.
Oh.
Yeah, like that.
Like Lean on Me.
Like a lead, yeah, maybe, yeah, maybe. Yeah. BFMs. Other than that, please support the bros. Subscribe to the channel and follow their Instagram and their Facebook, any socials that they have. Yeah. And yeah, just show them some positive vibes and love. But other than that, we'll see you guys in the next video. Much love, stay safe. Bye.